Hey everyone, this is a demonstration of the ZoogOut Universal Vacuum Hose Adapter. This was designed to help you vacuum out your AC drain line, amongst other things. With this double cone design, it can fit onto a vacuum hose like this. It can fit onto plumbing like this. It can fit onto this side. It can fit all sorts of different vacuum attachments like this. And so, we have here a drain line that's very close to the ground for an air conditioner. This adapter is meant to go underneath because you can't get your vacuum hose underneath. So now that this piece is on, we take our ZoogOut, we turn on the vacuum. And just like that, your air conditioner drain line is vacuumed. And so here's what we got from this drain line.